All right, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about the YouTube algorithm and how the algorithm works. Now, if you have any idea how the algorithm works or how you think the algorithm works, please post your comments below and let me know, because I'm still trying to learn how things work. My name is Rob G, and in this video, we're going to talk about the algorithm. And is the algorithm something that people say it is? Is it really magical? I don't believe it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you and prove to you that the algorithm is not magical, and that's not what makes your video so popular. So, I've been on YouTube for a very long time, and I'm still having trouble with the algorithm. And sometimes I see people saying certain things about the algorithm that I don't really believe. And you might see these videos popping up here and there and people saying that they cracked the algorithm. But the fact that you can't crack the algorithm is not what makes your video go viral. The titles of your video is very important. And this is what I feel that is the most important about your video, is making and having some good titles for your videos. Because have you ever been on YouTube, and I'm sure you have, and you search for certain videos, and as soon as you finish searching for those certain videos, you see that there's multiple videos popping up with the same title that you just searched for. So this is telling you that YouTube search is what's really important, because people are searching for those particular titles of your videos. It has nothing to do with the algorithm. The algorithm is not what takes your videos and decides to show it to somebody. Your videos are being shown because people are searching for the titles of your video. So if you come up with some really good titles, your videos should get a lot more views than what they are now. And, over the years, I've really struggled with this, and I didn't really think much about the algorithm because I don't really understand the algorithm, especially when I see videos of people saying that the algorithm is magically taking their videos and making their videos go viral. It's not the algorithm that make your videos viral. It's the title of your videos, because people are searching for that particular video. The algorithm is not against you as a content creator. And I know sometimes we feel that the algorithm is against us because, we spend so much time on these videos, and we try to come up with ideas and good titles that we think that's going to be really popular here on YouTube. And YouTube is going to take our videos and recommend our videos to everybody. But we put so much time into a video. We edit, we script, we do everything, we upload it. We spend hours editing this video, and we upload the videos, and we see no views, no interactions, no comments, no nothing. So we get a little frustrated with that, and we don't really know what to do after this. So we got to try to understand certain things in order to get our videos and get more views here on the platform, right? So this is something that is a learning process, and I've been on YouTube for a very long time, and I'm still struggling with this. But I have come to the conclusion that titles are very important for your videos. So if you can come up with really good titles, I'm sure your videos are got a lot more views. So take, for instance, you're trying to come up with a video, and you have a really good title for a video, but you're not really sure if this video is going to do well. So what you need to do is probably go into your search engine right on YouTube and type that video in and see what comes up from that video. If you see a lot of searches for that video, then obviously somebody is searching for that video. So that video is probably going to do well. I think if you implement this in your videos, I think it'll be a lot better. And I think your videos will probably get more views. Now, as a YouTuber, as a content creator, this is something that we struggle with constantly here on this platform. And, we're trying our best to get views on these videos. But sometimes we think that the algorithm is against us, and the algorithm is what's holding us back. But that's not the case. YouTube wants your videos to get more views and to be recommended in search, because, the more that happens with your videos, the more they're going to make money. So why would the algorithm keep your video down and not show your video to anybody? It's because people are probably not searching for the topic that you have on your video. So I think that's something that we have to actually get better at and understand, and maybe do a little more research on, is titles for our videos. It's the little things creating our videos that's probably holding us back from getting the views on our video. So if we create videos that people are searching for, then I don't see why our videos won't get more views. So try to understand the algorithm and how YouTube works, and the search how YouTube works. And probably if we do that, we'll have a better understanding, because trying to come here as a new content creator and posting your videos, you don't get no views on your videos. And sometimes you're here for months posting videos and you don't get no views on your videos, can be a little frustrating. And most of the time, YouTubers will probably, especially like the new YouTubers, will probably give up and probably will stop posting their videos because they feel their videos are just not being recommended by YouTube. But do your research first and try to come up with some really good titles. Now, this could be a little hard because, and you know, this is why I'm saying this could be a little hard, because sometimes when you're searching different titles, maybe titles of a video that you're not even interested in. So why the hell should I make a video of something that I'm not even really interested in just because people are searching for that video? So you got to kind of say, is this something that I really want to talk about, or should I just make another video of something that I want to talk about, and hopefully people will search for that video as well. So, you know, this is something that we struggle with, and every YouTuber goes through this. It doesn't matter who you are when you first come on YouTube. Everybody's going to struggle with this, and until we get better, this is just something that we have to understand, because even though nobody's watching your videos and you're uploading your videos and nobody's watching, you have to keep uploading your videos in order for your videos to get recommended, because really nobody knows who you are, especially when you're first starting out. Nobody has no idea who you are or what your videos are. So why should they click on your video? So try to get better at that and try to have a better understanding of that. And I'm sure things will probably work out. Don't give up. Just keep posting your videos, upload your videos, even if nobody's watching. Try not to pay too much attention to the numbers on your videos. Try not to pay too much attention to any of that. Try to get better at what you're doing, because once you get better, your videos are going to get better and people are going to start recommending your videos and people are going to start searching for your videos. And this is something that I think that all of us here on YouTube are trying to do. You know, we get a little frustrated because our videos just sit there. Sometimes our videos sit there for months. Sometimes our videos will sit there for a year before we get any kind of views on it. And in any particular time, somebody could be searching for that particular video. So don't give up. Just keep trying to get better at what you do, trying to get better at recording your videos. And, you know, eventually your videos are going to start picking up. So when you hear that the algorithm is magically taking somebody's videos and making them viral, the fact of the matter is that's not true. It's the titles of your videos and people are searching for that video. And that's why your video is showing up on the homepage on YouTube. And that's why your YouTube video is getting recommended. You know, I'm trying to get better at this, and I'm trying to do more research when I create videos to find out if these are videos that people are watching. And in some cases, it's helped me out. But then you have those particular videos that you create and you put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and the videos don't get no views at all. But, you know, you just can't get frustrated. You just got to keep going and try to do your best at creating videos, because YouTube is just, it's a lot of work. But it can be very rewarding if you really put the effort in to try to get better at YouTube, because there's a lot of people here on YouTube that want to help, and there's a lot of good information here on YouTube that you could probably listen to, but you can't listen to every advice here on YouTube, because not all advice is good advice here on this platform. There's so many people here that want to help, and then there's so many people that just want to get the views. So the advice that they're giving to you may not be helpful to you at all. So I hope this video gave you a little encouragement, and I hope you found some information in here and tried to understand that the algorithm is not against you. It's not against me. It's not against any of us on here. We just have to understand how things work and how people are searching for our videos. And hopefully this will help us out, and this will help our channels grow. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this information is helpful to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.